Wow, well, I apologize, folks, for this just lackluster, subpar camera work. Okay, I'm just demonstrating here. Dominic's done a great job.
What are you
Here,
doing?
see, hey, you know how we talk about getting a piece of contaminant in the body filler? That's what happens. See that streak? Hopefully we'll be able to, yeah, there we got lucky. And this is on there. Oh, let's get rid of that. See if we can get it out of there. This looks like a ton of body filler, I know, but it's very, very thin. It's basically just unifying all these different areas. So it's coming along good. We'll shoot a little bit more this afternoon. Smiley will be doing it. We're just trying to help Smiley out here. Thanks again. I apologize for the comments about your camera work. I'm sure it's going to look fine with some editing. All right. Now, clean that up.
When you got one to cut things off.
Yeah, I keep working. You take pictures now.
Yeah, oh, I'm taking video. It's like Tom Sawyer in the Weight Watchers Fence. I got everybody on it. We got Coach Kane out here.
Yeah.
We got Dominic. We got Blondie. Or, excuse me, Coleman. They're getting there. All right, so here we are.
Paper.
Need more paper?
Oh, God.
All right. It's just a tedious process. Sand in all directions. It's getting there. Yeah, there he is. Yep. And there's Smiley. He's working on his roof. Tell you what, we made good progress on this thing today. And people, don't let this fool you. This is super thin. Pay no attention, that sounded solid. It's not ting, 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 ting. It's really thin. We got Gabe over here. He's wet sanding the dirt nibs out of Smiley's hood. Give us a thumbs up, Gabe. There you go. It's gonna be nice. He's going around right now. He's got 1200 and he's de-nibbing it. And then we'll probably go back over it with 2000 and we'll buff the whole thing up. Getting primer on the roof. Smiley's up there right now. Dominic's gonna do the other side. Got Lance, he's cutting in the dams. Smiley's out of town today. Look at that nice job he's doing. We're having to paint the jams. Well, not only will it make them look nice, it's a slightly different color. Yeah, perfect. Now get down there at the bottom of that hinge. See down there?